I thought of this topic and ngabhala 5 points to determine if a coach impacts a coach. For me, number 1, it's improvement of team. That's an early stage. Number 2, improvement of players. Early stage nakhona. Number 3, philosophy. You know, the coach has given the team a specific identity, a philosophy. That's the medium phase. Number 4 is self-actualization of the players. Mengikhuluma nge-self-actualization, ngikhuluma ngokuthi lo mdlali lo as a coach manqoba mnqithi wamfikisa kule destination la sithi khona no man ukwi-peak yakhe. That is a self-actualization. Last stage, ama results, and that is the most important thing in football, ama results, because beautiful football without results, washo Johan Cruyff, it's pointless. But nakhona results without beautiful football is boring.